Bubbles? Are you warm? May I come check you? There's something I want to talk to you about. I don't want to say it over the phone. Alright.
Hey, Tony, I cut out early, but I need you to do a few things for me still. Some rice need for wrap out, and the glass case need for repack. But I'm not going to forward till tomorrow, so you see them time there. You won't know the code.
Redzi, how give me half here?
Which man voice give me a chat on phone over there?
I'm a teacher.
You sure?
Why you have to so jealous, Reds?
Because I know some of the little girls stay. You know, with this man, and when man bill, you know, I take man for idiot.
When I depend that in a Reds, I better want for myself.
You see it? That me I talk about.
What?
Only yourself you want better for. So am to me. You know want better for me too.
When me better, you better too.
Two! That a two. When you spit upon me. You know, so from the other day you move away.
Here you know. But now move nowhere, Reds.
You know, so I not too trust you. But I see your phone.
You serious, Reds?
You see me a laugh?
But now give my phone after I never search your phone.
Oh, look like at a school where you go a teacher for this, yeah, man.
I know this, Reds, but it's like you know I have no privacy.
Privacy? People who have them own place have privacy. You have your own place?
I know say I have my own place. I know say I catch me a catch. You not fear repeat it every minute, so.
Hold on. Hold on. You know, so from the other day, me used to give me a problem. Raise your voice in my place.
No, Reds. But every day, so you text.
But nothing. You see, in my place, you keep your voice low. Because you see, if you all push up your chest, me will puff it. When me just meet you, you mash up. None of your family members them never want to take you in. A girl's home you did there. My money when my hustle put clothes by your back. And my place give you shelter. So know yourself, little girl. So you see anybody in a dance class there, and make you feel big, tell them say me there. Cut your dog. You hear that?
You know say you're unfair, Reds. You're unfair. Want me to the day then when me a hustle in ideas right them not eat used to feed you.
Oh, so you expect for there for free. So you don't expect for feed me too.
Reds, this not feel like a relationship no more, you know. I feel like me a slave.
You know why it don't feel like a relationship? Because you don't know how to honor your man.
What?
And nobody talk about slave. Because slave work. You go dance class. That a carrying $1 in ya.
So when me come in here at evening time, wash, cook and clean. No work that.
That a woman duty. That a when you come in the evening. So happen to the morning. When last you make breakfast?
Anything there for make breakfast, Reds? I'm gonna ask you something. You can't make local bread and tea. And feed yourself in the morning?
Yo, in a dance class you go. Because if a dance class you go, you use your foot. No, your mouth you use. Everything we say you have an answer for it.
So you expect me to shut my mouth and I say nothing?